and I take GA in LKG. Today we are going to learn about birds. We have seen birds fly around us, but do you know their names? No? Don't worry. Today I am going to take you to the magical world of birds. So let us start by knowing the names of few birds. Sparrow, owl, ostrich, swan, crow, peacock, crane, pigeon. So I am going to tell you more about these birds.
Here are few names of different birds: peacock, crow, swan, sparrow, owl, crane, cock, ostrich, pigeon, duck, eagle, and parrot. Let us now know more about these few birds. The peacock is our national bird. The ostrich is the largest bird. The owl is a night bird. Swans and ducks swim in water. An eagle flies high in the sky.